Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. And of course, ating mga cross-watchers, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bono Magus PH. My name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Now, in today's video, Taurus, alamin natin kung ano yung mga issues na kinakarap ninyo ngayon, problema sa love life pa yan, pera, trabaho, or anything na lalabas sa barahan, tignan natin kung ano yung mga pinoproblema nyo ngayon or mga kinakaharap na issue, and then alamin natin kung ano ang magiging payo sa iyo ng mga spirit guides mo. Kukuha ko ng mga oracle cards para dyan. Okay? Mensahe or gabay. If ever, yun nga, naghahanap kayo ng kasagutan or naguguluhan kayo, you need guidance and clarity in your situation, right? So, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Paalala lang, kay lahat ng readings ko dito, Taurus, ay general reading lamang. So, ibig sabihin, di po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kunin niyo lang kung saan kayo nag-resonate, Taurus, at iwan yung hindi. Alright, let's start. Taurus, you have the Justice. Okay. Paras kayo, ni Aries, no? You have the Judgment. Next, energy, Taurus, you have the Nine of Swords. Next energy, you have the Five of Swords. Next energy, you have the Nine of Pentacles. I think Taurus, okay, right off the bat, may nakikita ako dito posibleng pagkakaroon ng argument, away, issue sa paggastos-gastos, magastos. Nine of Pentacles, sino dito yung magastos? Ginagasta ang pera mo. Siguro possibly ginagasta mo ang pera mo. Ginasta yung pera mo ng ibang tao and then nag-worry ka. Something about that. Mamaya kita natin yung buong kwento dito. Next energy, you have the Six of Pentacles. Okay? Marami talaga sa inyo, Taurus, it looks like either namumblema kayo sa utang na hindi nyo mabayaran, or posible na kayo mismo may umutang sa inyo and then naghahanap kayo ng hustisya or sana man lang may balik yung pera sa akin. There's something about justice. This, mamaya, King of Pentacles. Okay, marami sa inyo siguro in the past, Taurus, nalugi sa negosyo. Maybe in the past, Taurus, mayaman kayo. Iba sa inyo mayaman. Like I would say yung kayaman. Maybe possibly yung yaman, meron kayong mga negosyo, asset. Before, ng mga bata pa siguro kayo o lumaki kayo. And then now, nung nag-asawa na kayo, nag-iba na ang Three of Wands. Queen of Wands. The Page of Wands. The Hierophant. Okay, it's mostly, marami sa inyo, Taurus, pinoproblema ninyo ang commitment ng isang tao. Either sa relationship, commitment ng isang taong pinagkatiwalaan nyo sa negosyo. Yung issue dito is marami. There's someone here na nagsisinungaling sa inyo. Hindi sila honest sa akin. Hindi sila loyal. Tinatraidor nila ako. Hindi sila nagsasabi ng totoo. Marami sa inyo siguro, Taurus, meron kayong sideline, negosyo. May nakikita din akong pag-aaway sa trabaho, possibly. Hierophant. There's something about, there's also Taurus here. If this is not a plan, maybe this has already happened. Perhaps may confrontation na nangyari. Napabarangay, pinabarangay mo, pinatulfo, planong ipatulfo. Maybe nagbabalak kayo. Kasi perhaps there's someone here na pag pinagkatiwalaan ninyo and then ginasta ang pera mo. Pera lang ang hapol sa'yo. Possibly with someone na pinagkatiwalaan ninyo. This could be a lover, a friend, a business partner. This could be someone, even family or friends. Judgment. And now you're Could also be Taurus na for slight lang, yung iba sa inyo, hindi lahat. Kailan, hindi lahat. There's someone here, Taurus, na humihingi kayo ng isa pang pagkakataon na I think you're also looking for ways na mabayaran. Sa mga Taurus na may utang ha. Taurus, kung ikaw ay may utang, nanonood. So, Taurus, if wala kang utang, then this part of this reading is not yours. Doon lang sa mga Taurus na nanonood ngayon, kung nanonood kayo, Taurus, kung may utang ka, may pinoproblema kang utang, ito yung energy mo dito. A judgment, the King of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Justice. You're looking for another chance na mabayaran mo utang mo. Namumblema ka. There's a lot of worries. Nine of Swords energy, worry. To the point na nag-aaway na kayo. Possibly with someone. Kasi nagasta. There's something about, di ko alam, sino bang gumastos ng pera ninyo? An immature person, Page of Wands. I would say a very immature, young person. Still right now, I feel like there's ang issue dito is dishonesty and not loyal. Hindi pagsasabi ng totoo. Laging nagsisinungaling. Kaya ang communication naging argument, ang kalabasan. Away, arguments, gulo, miscommunication, misunderstanding. Now, let's get an advice. Let's move on. Okay. Mamaya, babalikan natin yan kung may makukuha pa ako. But, proceed tayo sa advice for now. Advice for our Taurus sa mga kinakaharap na issue right now. Change. Release old patterns. Practice self-love. Release outcomes. Attachment to outcomes. Okay, marami sa inyo, Taurus, ay galit dahil hindi na naibalik yung pera sa inyo. There's something about lahat ng mga pinaghirapan ninyo, lahat ng mga perang na-invest, possibly ninyo, pinagkatiwala niyo sa mga ibang tao. Until right now, bumabalik sa inyong isipan at there's also pa rin this energy na galit kayo. There's also that energy kasi you have this advice to release the old patterns. I think paulit-ulit na bumabalik sa isipan mo yung mga kasalanan na nagawa nila sa'yo, Taurus. Alam mo yung mga yan, those are negative thoughts, negative patterns na mas stuck kayo dyan, Taurus. I think the reason why lumabas dito as an advice na practice self-love. Love yourself enough to let go of these old patterns and beliefs. Excuse me, Taurus. See? Releasing. You have to release those toxins. Yung pag-itching ko. I think there's some things na, yeah, you need a lot of healing. I feel like marami pa rin sa inyo right now siguro you're looking for some justice, Taurus. You are still seeking justice to those people na okay, aminin nyo man o hindi, I feel like lumabas sa barahe. I'm just reading the energies of the cards. I feel like marami pa rin sa inyo right now, Taurus, ay hindi pa rin kontento. As kumbaga, habang buhay kayo, gusto nyo matamasa or gusto nyo maibalik sa inyo yung perang nawala sa inyo na siguro nalugi sa investment. I don't know kung paano nawala. Lumabas sa baraha dito na sa maraming paraan. For some of you, Taurus, sa inyong iba, niloko sa pera. Na-scam. Yung iba, ginastos ng ibang tao. This could be your daughter, siblings, kapatid. This could be someone. This could be anybody in your life. Ginastos yung pera mo. This could be your lover. This could be your boyfriend or girlfriend na pina-in-love ka and then binigyan mo ng pera. This could be the financial support or this could be an investment. Or this could be utang. Pinautang mo. Pinahiram mo yung pera mo. And then hindi nabalik. Maybe there's some little bit like pakonting binigay. But you're not satisfied kasi you have the judgment. Ibig sabihin, you're not di mo let go. King of Pentacles, you are still really all about money, Taurus. Admit it, right? Because you're an earth sign. You're all about your lahat ng earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you're all about money. Okay. King of Pentacles and Judgment, you cannot let go of even the thought na hindi pa rin ako talaga ito yung energy na sasagap ko. I feel like someone would say like this, hindi pa rin ako makalit go talaga. Some would say, hindi ko mapapatawad yung ginawa na. Pinaghirapan ko pera yun eh. Yeah, you have that right to say. Kasi pinaghirapan mo. Pera mo yun, right? Hindi mo basta-basta nakukuha. Siguro inipon mo. Ano pa? Tapos, ganun-ganun na lang, ginagastos na kung saan pinagagastos. You could be a parent, an OFW, na yung anak mo nandito, habang ikaw hirap na hirap ka nagtatrabaho, no? Sa ibang bansa, lalaki ka man o babae, na nakikita mo sa social media, yung pinadala kong allowance, 30,000. Wow, baka ka, 30,000, 50,000, I don't know, 20,000. Kita mo nila, ayan na. Ginagastos sa boyfriend, pinapasyal, pinapasikat, lahat ng luho. Or, there's also this energy na pick up ko na there's someone here pinautang dahil naawa ka, dahil humingi ng tulong sa inyo. Some Taurus are in that situation. Iyan naman ang ibang sitwasyon ng Taurus. Dahil naawa sila. Yan. Magpadala kami ng pera dahil naawa kami sa sinabing sitwasyon. Yung pala hindi totoo. There's also that justice is about honesty and dishonesty. Justice is about honesty if yung kanyang upward position. When it's downward position, it's dishonesty. So possibly may nagsinungaling sa inyo, Taurus, para makakuha ng pera sa'yo. Alam ko si Taurus, tutulungan niya ako. So magsisinungaling ako about our situation. Kaya nagbigay ka. Then nalaman mo, you find out maybe later na nagsinungaling pala ito. And then maybe that's the time na you cling on that. You karoon kayo ng hatred with the Five of Swords. You know this energy screaming on my face. The Five of Swords and the Queen of Wands energy is someone na nasaktan ng ego. Once kasi nasaktan ng ego mo, that's when you feel angry. Saktan ng ego mo eh. Dahil nagsinungaling sila. Parang kumbaga, ang lumabas, niloko tayo, right? Some of you niloko talaga. And you have the right to be angry. But then, all of this, right? Possibly, nangyayari na to matagal na. Some of you recently lang. So, I think the reason why this comes up in this reading is because naging paulit-ulit eh. Naging pattern mo na lang. Every time you'll be reminded of this, every time na matrigger siguro kayo sa ganitong story, para ka din sigurong sirang plaka, Taurus, na para kang naka-program na magagalit na naman ako. Ito naman na nararamdaman ko. So, paulit-ulit ang energy, na-recycle ang energy. That means hindi ka uusad. So there's something about the Hierophant also talks about advice. I think with this reading, this is the center stage of the reading. This is the major energy. It means that a lot of you, Taurus, marami sa inyo ang nangangailangan ng sobrang paggabay at dapat mabigyan ng payo. So, here I am. Kaya ako nandito. And one of the advice is, embrace change. Kailangan may mabago. Baguhin nyo na ang pattern. And before nyo mabago ang pattern, you have to release that pattern. That same old feeling na or something that you have to let go. You have to release it with the judgment. And you have to practice self-love. You know, pag self-love is not harboring anything na masakit sa ating puso. Anything na mabigat. Kasi ikaw ang nakakaramdam ng pain. Yung nagkautang sa'yo at kung kanino ka galit, wala silang nararamdaman na pain. Pero ikaw ang nagsasuffer with the pain that you feel, the resentment that we feel. Mabigat yan. Ma-high blood ka pa. And then napunta ka sa hospital na admit because na-stress ka pa. So, practice self-love, self-care, and self-worth. And now that you know, I think you set some boundaries, right? And release any attachment to any outcome. Now, let's get an advice or messages from your angel. Angel. Okay? Lumabas yung isa. What else? Last. Your love for others is powerful and you are able to spread your gift of support far and wide. Your curious and social nature brings in contact with a variety of people, all who could benefit from the warm, heartfelt words of wisdom. So, I feel like Taurus, ikaw yung tao, marami kang mga idea na may share sa mga ibang tao. I am disciplined. Your approach to life is an effective mix of both practicality and imagination. Your mind is stirring with creative ideas and you have the organizational skills to manifest them to life. Kukuha muna ako ng idea, babasahin ko lang, okay? Your mind is wide open and you are tolerant and compassionate toward all ways of life. You value freedom of expression and want to improve the conditions of people, whether in your community, country, of the world, or expressive. There's something about you need to open up your mind, widen your horizons. I think wag niyong i-limit ang sarili niyo sa isang sitwasyon lang. I think there's a new experience that is paparating sa inyo, Taurus. Yan ang dapat mong paglaanan ng inyong energy. But before this new experience come in, bago papasok to, you have to release this old experience, old energy, para makapasok yung new energy. Perhaps this new energy, it's a new opportunity that would, makatulong makangat sa iyong buhay. So, how was it? It's your choice. I'm telling you right now, na in order for this new experience to come in, new experience, new energy, new life, new opportunities, new job, new pagkakakitaan, bagong pagkakaabalahan, bagong sideline, new opportunities. In order for these things to come into your life, give them space. Bigyan nyo ng espasyo sa buhay mo by releasing this unwanted energies. Kasi kalat-kalat ang energy mo at mabibigat. So, hindi makapasok yung mga swerte. I think may swerteng paparating Something about your idea. Marami kang idea, Taurus You're marami sa inyo are smart, very practical, and very, very, when it comes to money, you can manifest what you want. Manifest is, you are the manifestor of your life. So, you can create the kind of life that gusto mo. Yumaman, sumikat, magkapera ng marami. Nandiyan yung mga King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. Ibig sabihin, may kakayahan kang yumaman. But then the problem is, there are some unwanted energies na nandiyan pa sa puso mo, sa isipan mo, hina-harbor mo, kaya hindi makapasok yung swerte and new energies. Okay, so Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. I hope nabigyan kayo ng clarity and guidance through this reading. Let me know if nag-resonate sa inyo somehow. Mukhang very specific tong reading ngayon, but I feel like, and you are wise, no? Sinabi dito, you are wise and napaka-disiplinado mo. If there's new opportunity na paparating, I think you will approach this new opportunity in a very disciplined way. Magiging madisiplina ka. Tutulungan ka na itong bago opportunity na magiging madisiplina sa buhay. And yan, makatulong sa'yo na mapabago ang iyong kapalaran. Magiging financially stable kayo totally. And you have this, there's something about your creativity, Taurus, then, if you know what I mean. Like, you can really create something you want and then magbo-boom eh, right? So, good luck, okay, Taurus. Alam ko kaya nyo yan, and I hope you'll be brave enough to let go at talagang makakaya nyong gawin, because action speaks louder than words, I tell you. Okay? So, maraming salamat, Taurus. Again, let me know if nag-resonate sa inyong reading by leaving a comment below. Like this video if nagustuhan ninyo. And mag-subscribe na sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Now, Taurus, if interesado kayong bumili sa mga pampaswerte ko, wag po kayong alis para kasi after this, babalik ako para for another video na katuloy nito. Okay? Kaya, huwag ko yung alis, magbabalik po ako para sa instructions on kung paano makabili. Alright? So, don't go away. I'll be right back. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat. Ingat po and God bless. Okay, so for those of you na interesadong makita yung mga produkto ko, you can search the items or my products sa website. But mostly sa website po is, by the way, this is my website. Pag type nyo po ng bonomagos.com, ganito po, ito po yung unang bubungad sa inyo. And just scroll down. You can also read that para maintindihan nyo. You can just read that, and then dito po sa baba, every now and then, update po ako sa website just in case if ever ma-sold out yung mga items, tinatanggal ko na po dyan as much as possible para to avoid confusion, no? Pero for now, ito yung mga meron pa, available pa. So you have Prospera Alashan Citrine, may Gambler's Luck Karma Cleansing Amazonite, andito yung mga crystal pendant. For now, yung binibenta ko is crystal pendant lang for only 100 pesos. Ayan yung mga crystal bracelet. Now, para makita nyo po ang description at yung benefits ng bawat item, just click the picture and then you can scroll down to read the description. Andito yung price nakalagay. You can scroll down and just read. Basahin nyo lang po yung mga nakasulat dyan. So, malalaman nyo yung benefits niya. And for some items, nandyan na po yung instruction. But, pag nakatanggap po, pag bumili po kayo, may marireceive pa rin kayong instruction na maliit na papel. Okay? Now, by the way, lahat po ng mga items dito ay dadaan po sa cleansing, blessing ritual, blessing ritual, at ritual po sa Latin. Yan po ang kaibahan ko sa mga ibang nagbebenta. So, if meron kayong gustong iparitual, libre po pag bumili kayo ng kahit na anong item. Now, there are also, ito yung mga bestseller ko. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng pangkalahatan or all-in-one powerful red string, andyan yung benefits na, andyan yung explanation niya kung bakit siya all-in-one at bakit powerful. Ayan, for only 100 pesos. Andyan yung mga smudge kit. Ayan yung mga ibang item. For now, yan lang po ang nailagay ko. But for more items, you can also check my Facebook page kasi most of the time, yung mga limited po na stocks, andito ko po pinopost. Ayan yung Aurum Kalinda Ithon Tiger's Eye Mantra Bracelet. Basahin nyo lang yung mga postings ko, andyan yung mga description, andyan yung mga benefits, so you would understand para malaman ninyo. Now, paminsan-minsan dito ko po pinopost sa Facebook page ko yung mga insights, mga information kung paano maka-attract ng swerte, to teach you kung ano mga dapat niyong gawin, all about related sa pang-akit ng swerte, pang-protection, anything you need to know about para umangat sa buhay. All of that. And mostly is about yung mga items ko dito, they are spiritual tools na
hopefully makatulong sa inyong mga pinagdadaan ng problema sa trabaho, career, finance, pera, and negosyo. And of course, love life at kalusugan. Right? So, if may gusto kayong nagustuhan na item, ayan. By the way, always po kayong mag-scroll down dito. You can also check my photos. Ayan. May mga albums ako. Mga albums. Ayan. You can check the albums. Ayan, i-check nyo kung. And then, every now, pag nag-message po kayo, just huwag nyo pong kalimutan magtanong if yung ini-inquire niyo is available pa or baka hindi na po. Kasi limited stocks lang po ako dito talaga kadalasan. And mostly 2 weeks na uubos na po yung mga stocks ko. Or wala pang 1 buwan, ubos na. Okay, ayan. And sa mga nag-i-inquire about tarot reading services ko, 5,000. Ayan, if barya lang po sa inyo yung 5,000, pwede kayo magpo-book sa akin. And mag-message lang po kayo sa akin sa Facebook page ko po dito. Ayan, i-message nyo lang ako dito sa my Bonum Magus PH na may blue check po. Okay, mag-ingat po sa mga scammers na gumagaya sa akin kasi may mga iba ginagaya po ang Bonum Magus PH pero sila po, wala po silang blue check. Ako lang po ang may blue check. Ayan. And what else? If you are inquiring about, so saan mahanap tong mga menu? If makikita niyo yung dalawang linya dyan sa taas, sa tabi, nakatabi ng ng Bonum Magus logo, i-click nyo lang to and then lalabas po yung mga pages or menu. You have the frequently asked questions. If may mga katanungan kayo, paki-visit na lang dito, paki-click na lang yung frequently asked questions. Baka, you know, to inform you yung mga katanungan ninyo just in case hindi nyo ako agad makausap sa messenger. Okay, magtatanong kayo kung may COD, walang COD, anong mga rituals na ginagawa ko. Nandito na lahat yung mga posible pong itatanong sa akin ng mga customer or clients. Up to the question kung anong courier ko, nagpapaship ba ako sa ibang bansa, andito po naka-explain kung may discount ba, kung may refund ba, andito po lahat naka-explain. And about me, if you are curious about me, you can just read here. Ayan, basahin, pakibasa na lang po yan. And ano yung ibig sabihin? Anong ibig sabihin ng Bonum Magus? Ayan, dyan po nakalagay, naka-explain, nilagay ko po yan para maintindihan nyo. And then po ang pagmumukha ko, okay? For those of you, hindi pa nakikita ang pagmumukha ko, ayan, ako po si Angel Francia Feliciano. And for awards and certificates, dito nyo makikita, for now, wala pa akong nilagay kasi sobrang busy pa ako sa mga trainings ngayon sa association. By the way, I'm a member of Spiritual Integrity Association or ASI. It's an American association. So, Association for Spiritual Integrity. Meron silang sariling website. Spiritual Integrity. ASI Association. Okay, ayan yung website nila. So, sa directory, community, members directory, you can actually search me. Andito yung pangalan ko, Angel Feliciano. Ay, dito pala yung members. Angel. Ayan po ako. That's me right now. Nakuha nila yung picture ko. So, ako lang po ang nasa Philippines. Ayan, La Union, Bonum Magus, andyan yung website ko, and then yung contact number ko, nakuha nila. So, marami pa mga miyembro, mostly are Americans. So, I'm a member of ASI. So, lahat po ng teachings ko nanggaling po dyan sa kanila. Okay, I'm a member, so tinitrain po nila ako for coachings. Ayan, so for my biography, bas pakibasa na lang dyan. Sana ang birthday ko, saan ako pinanganak, my profession, and then i-explain po dito yung mga professional expertise ko, yung pagiging psychic medium, and lahat na pakibasa na lang po dyan. And for services, okay, for now, ang mai-offer ko lang is tarot. Actually, I have a certificate for distance Reiki, for chakra alignment, but then yung chakra kasi is dapat personal yan eh. Dapat personal gagawin. So, for now, hindi ko ano sa inyo sa, kasi hindi pa ako tumatanggap. Siguro pag someday or one day. Ayan. For now, tarot services. So, for this one, you can, mamili lang po kayo sa price. May in-offer akong 5,000. Yan ang pinakamura. And then, merong pinakabongga, if you can afford, 15,000. Dito, ito yung kung gusto nyong magpasar, kung gusto nyong ma-align yung chakra ninyo. Andyan po, naka-explain kung bakit, ano yung packages, ano yung mga inclusions niya. Anong kasali dyan sa 15,000. Kasama na dyan yung mga necklace, mga items na marireceive ninyo, at then yung bracelets. Ayan, and all other items pa. So, yung pinakamurang may offer ko is 5,000 pesos. Yan, napaka-expensive po. So, mayroon naman mga ibang tarot reader na nag-offer na mas mura. Doon na lang po kayo for the meantime. Yun lang pong kayang ma-afford ang services ko. Okay? 5,000. Kung gusto niyo magpa-book, again, you message me on my Facebook page, Bono Magos PH, yung pong may blue check. Mag-message lang po kayo doon. And if gusto niyo magpasama sa prayer ritual na ginagawa ko every Sunday, or once a week, mag-submit lang po kayo dito. You click that, and then lalabas yan, and then pakibasa na lang yan, and then you submit your name, your first name, okay, fill upan nyo lang yan dyan, yung email, napaka-importante para ma-replyan ko kayo, yung phone number, at then yung prayer request niyo, and then click send. Ayan, yun lang po, dyan lang po kasimple. First, okay, a lot of you hindi ko marireplyan, but doesn't mean na hindi ko ginawa yung prayer, okay? So, for vlog, you can check here, mga insights ko, mga blog entry ko. Ayan, what else? Magkalka lang kayo dito, mag-explore lang kayo. For prayers, every now and then, pag may bago, naglalagay ako dyan. I-update ko pa yan. And I think that's it for my YouTube channel. Andyan yung link. And for the Facebook page, andyan yung link. So, I think that's it, mga madam. So, hopefully, klaro na. Again, if you want to place an order, paki-message po ako dito sa Facebook page ko. Ayan po. Okay, Bono Magos PH. Ayan. So, I think that's it. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. And ingat po and God bless.